a second wife and another. What possessed me to say no to my mom when she first advised me that he was a good guy? Yes. Ma kaaga sheekay storygiisa? Yeah. Marka hooyadu, they see something from like is the wisdom of time and age. Yes, way arag bayaan. And that guy, guess what? Dowladu kale, he became so successful beyond my dreams. Beyond my dreams.
But you don't want to be second wife. Beyond my
No, but back then, Nag Mulehen, he was just in his 20s, young, potential, young, you know, like he could see, he could conquer the world. But you know, Anima Arkanin, I was like just seeing him like, he's just a farah, he's just a farah. My God, he's just a farah. I go for that.
It's just a farah, it's just a farah.
It's just a farah.
I think I had farah. Fuck farah.
horta ereyga faarax la dhahayo qofta la yiraahdo habar yar tinke ereyga faarax la yiraahdo horta dadka waaweyn iyo dadka yar yar isku masax maaha isku opportunity maaha waa different weeyaan and I think dadka dhalinyarada ah haday ka badbaadaan nolosha xun iyo daroogo iyo waxaas ay xabsi iyo hal mar haday win gareeyaan oo ay wax bartaan they will be smart like you know what I mean while annaga we never get opportunity gas annaga maana helin ma fahamt so I think wiilasha yararka ayaan loogu wicin Joseph Faarax mise gabdhaha yararka idinka waa different annaga camal idinka annaga camal ma tiidin and I hope you know better.
You know what? When he first met me, he couldn't care that the glahi, in lahi, look lahi. He just wanted the status ka family. That's it. He because politically driven he just wanted the status. Every time I meet somebody, profile ki qatan. They don't even care that I'm this way.
عقلي لو ما قلت
إذا بود عقل معقول لما لو قلت لا ولا قطرة ناودرة like
عقلي بقى هذا وان عقلي بقى لو قلت لا هي قف مسؤولية
قف معقول أنا هذا قدراي هذا boring كمان like boring dinner coming staying home keeping life simple no book no blah blah أنا هو بيقول بحنا هذا I'm like I like simple life like نمشي سدوجو yes
Biggie gabdhaha ma aragtay markay single 4 years single de gabartahay
now hadda faarixiinta ba ku duceystaa the boring the guy is the better I would stay with him
the better
yes ninka boring give me any day give me the boring guy and that's all I would ever have you know what
you're gonna enjoy time
complicated complicated they do my heading yes I don't care for excitement honey
so basically you don't want قف مسخها challenge قرينايا يا
she doesn't want to challenge waxaan jeclahay ninka smart don't get me wrong I like really smart challenge like maskaxiyan he stimulates me
you need space
yeah that's it like maskaxiyan he stimulates me but no drama like nin degan oo wax kala qaadanayo oo macquule when he talks I listen when I talk he listens it's just easy like a rhythm marked like a dance tango kale you know spice it up whatever it doesn't matter but end of the day have common decency to apologize when you know you're wrong apologize even just tell me when I'm wrong
love clear
be the man
love clear
أنا كمان أنا too much going on with him I like just simple yeah plain Jane plain
you don't like talkative
yeah
kalsoon yahay fiican ninku inuu isku kalsoon yahay isaga laakiin qofka insecure haduu haysto adigu more pressure ku saaraya
qofka
ilaahay faarax waa ku soo duceynaynaa ilaahay faarax khayr qabo oo ku shaqeeyo
waxa way stress kula ag joogin like a father figure you know when I say Farah I'm like a father figure
I love it
yes
good job
yes I wanna because I'm not marrying for me okay so Mania let's be realistic when we marry we're not just gonna hang out from the chandelier we're gonna somehow come and become
habartinki inaa seexdo waaye shaqaa ka soo baxay shaqadii ku noqonaya habo وهي عيالكاga mustaqbalka dhabarkaaga kugu jiro find them right farax oo patient leh oo macnaha hadee nololna haysto wax bartay you know patient haysto oo adigana kuu dulqaadanayo don't chase love kan iyo waxa macmacaanka dhamaana ma fahamtay
wadamaha
is a drama
is that the last minute I want to ask you about the product ka wada hadlayni did you end up getting it
yabo
did you end up getting the product ka last time ka hadlayni
aniga abo
ha